It's break time cards. Time for a break. Today we are breaking some 2023 Panini Prizm UFC. So in this blaster, you can get the exclusive ice prisms. There's a whole listing there of the stuff that could be in here. Is there anything else listed? You can also get the blaster exclusive green pulsar prisms numbered to 25. So that would be something good to get. You know, I should have opened this beforehand, but we'll just get through it real quick right now. So there are 6 packs in here, and it is 4 cards per pack. There you go, 6 packs, 4 cards per pack. So we're talking about 24 cards in total. Here are the 6 packs. I like the cover design on that. It's pretty nice. Okay, so this is a bit of a departure from, I typically will get the Donruss Optic 2022 hanger boxes, or hanger packs, and I'll break those because you can get them for like $7 on clearance at Walmart. And I actually did get this on discount as well. This was 18 marked down from 30. So yeah, I thought, well, why don't we break a Prizm blaster and mix it up a bit. So here we are. I don't think I'll go through each of these, which is probably doing you a favor because I might mix up some of their names. But if we see something cool, we'll point it out to you. Like this one right here, it's Bryce Mitchell Silver Prism. I like that one. Okay. Pack number 2 of 6. I don't know if you can get autographs out of these. So we will see. Oh, that's a Michael Morales rookie card up there in the top right. There's another rookie card of Kyler Phillips, followed by Cracked Ice of Bilal Muhammad. Is that numbered? It is not. Then we have the All Out Miocic. Congratulations on the retirement for Stipe. Moving on to pack number 3. All right, so here's the first. Looks like we have one of the green pulsars to 25. Let's see who it is. Mario Bautista, rookie card. Is that one of the ones to 25? It is not. Okay. So this is just your standard green Prizm variety, if you will. All right, so it's not the green pulsar. That's why that threw me off a little bit. Like, that doesn't look like a pulsar prism. But you never know. You never know. All right, pack number 4 of 6. There's a David Dvorak rookie card. Mark Madsen on the rookie card. That's a cool shot. Just pow on the follow through. We have Irene Aldana Cracked Ice. And the Fearless Alexander Volkanovski. All right, 2 packs to go. So no rookie cards, at least yet. Uriah Faber, or Arijah. That's on the green. All right, last pack right here on It's Break Time Cards. Thanks for every like, every follow, and every subscribe. We will have more UFC content on the channel, so stay tuned. There's Max Holloway. That's a nice card. Luana Pinheiro, rookie card on the cracked ice. That's sweet. And last, here we have Israel Adesanya, all out on the green. I think we had that one on the base as well. If I go back. No, that was something else. Nope, that was my mistake. So there we go. Nice stack of cards there for $18 on clearance at Walmart. They had a few more boxes over there, so I might go pick them up just because, you know, it's always good to have a nice stash of UFC cards at the ready. So I appreciate you watching It's Break Time Cards. Break time is over.